Welcome back to new session. This is your trainer, mentor and PMP coach Anand. In this session, we will learn project integration management knowledge area. This is a key knowledge area for a project manager. This knowledge area binds all other knowledge area processes together. There are 7 processes in this knowledge area. It has at least one process across each process group. Hence, this is one of the big chapter in PMBOK. As per my experience, most of the students find this knowledge area difficult. The reason is it refers to other processes which we have not yet learned. So there is a chicken and egg situation. My advice is to learn whatever possible, and once you complete all other knowledge area processes, come back to this chapter again. You will understand it better. Learning objectives of current session are: we'll start with understanding what is integration. We'll go through the integration management knowledge area definition. We'll talk about process interactions, trends and emerging practices in the integration, tailoring consideration. We'll also talk about tailoring consideration related to agile and adaptive environment. And then we'll go through quick overview of integration management processes. And finally, we will do a quick review. Look at the picture on the screen. What do you see? You see a maestro leading a group of musicians. Maestro is not playing any instrument, yet he has a very important role to play. He is the integrator of this orchestra. Everyone is responsible for the result. However, anyone underperform will impact the overall result. Same is true for project management. In projects, project manager binds the string together. He balances all project constraints like scope, schedule, cost, risk, resources, while striving hard to achieve the project objectives and deliver expected benefits. What are the key activities involved in integration management? It starts with project authorization, defining project lifecycle, alignment of a project benefits, creating project management plan, creating deliverables, creating and managing the project knowledge, measuring and monitoring project progress, collecting, analyzing data, preparing reports, making integrated decisions, closing the project or contract. PM has to clearly understand all processes and their process interaction. If you look at a PMBOK process interaction, each process has a clear purpose and well-defined boundary. Output from one process act as an input to another process, and this continues. But the process interaction in real project environment may be overwhelming, as there might be multiple interaction and process boundaries might be blurred. Integration is a key central activity in project management. Integration management processes hold entire project together. For example, create project management plan process link all other subsidiary plan creation processes. Integrated change control process also links to so many other processes. Project manager must consolidate and integrate many actions on day-to-day basis, from changing requirement, shifting resources, new requirement, risk, issues, etc. Integration management is to be done only by a project manager. Other knowledge areas can be handled by other managers or project management staff. Let's see new trends and emerging practices in project integration. With advancement in IT software, there are several automated tools to help project manager. Project management information systems helps project manager by collecting, analyzing information, helps them to generate report and communicate those reports to various stakeholders. With new generation project and fast technological changes, collaboration is key to success. Project management is using visual management tools. For example, Kanban board. This Kanban board provides real-time project status and hence they empower project team. Today, project manager's role is expanding, starting from pre-project activities. In some cases, in some projects, project manager is responsible for preparation of business case along with the sponsor. He might also work on benefit management plan, also top level stakeholder engagement. Hybrid methodologies. Apart from traditional waterfall methodology, today again with a fast changing requirement, agile methodologies are gaining momentum. Also, business analysis techniques plays a key role in the success of a project. Project tools, organizational change management all plays a different yet critical role. Project knowledge management. Knowledge management is also critical because today's project has a mobile workforce. A lot of people, lot of projects are getting executed from offshore. So knowledge management tools will help you to identify, store and transfer knowledge throughout the project lifecycle. Let's understand various tailoring considerations. What is process tailoring? It is a process of modifying processes as required by project. Each project is unique. Hence, project manager may tailor the processes as needed based upon project management office, governance, enterprise environmental factors. For example, project manager may alter quality processes if quality control is outsourced to some other company. The key tailoring considerations are project life cycle. Deciding appropriate project life cycle and project phases according to the need of a project, and of course based upon the organization's project management methodology. For example, project manager may drop procurement process if there is no need of procurement on the project. Development life cycle. There are product specific development life cycle. Software development life cycle will be different compared to construction. Development lifecycle can be predictive or adaptive, incremental or iterative, or it may be hybrid. Management approaches. Based upon organizational culture and project complexity, project manager may define project approach. Benefit. Based upon stakeholder requirement, project manager will decide when and how benefit should be reported. Change. Can project manager accept any change and implement it? How change will be managed in the project? Who will approve the change? So all these are a part of change control process. Governance. Processes may be tailored based upon boards, steering committees, or may be based upon stakeholder requirements. Different reporting or communication method also can be agreed. Knowledge management. Newly introduced knowledge management process can be tailored based upon if a project is repetitive or first time. Knowledge sharing fosters collaborative working. Lesson learned. Information will be collected throughout the project life cycle. Project manager will make it available for other projects or other stakeholders within the organization through centralized repositories or lesson learned databases. Certain project management information system has a way of recording lesson learned. What are the considerations for agile and adaptive environment? PMBOK6 edition has included latest trend in project management. One of the key trend is adaptive project management. You may use Agile, Scrum, XP methodologies to execute such a project. There is a lot of emphasis on project team and the team collaboration. Project team members are considered as local domain expert. They are accountable for detailed product planning and delivery. Team members with a broad skill sets are best suited in agile environment. Project manager focuses on building collaborative decision-making environment. Project manager's role is servant leader role. He is a facilitator. He protects team from outside influences and provide water, food and shelter to them. Agile project expects change. So project manager ensure team has ability to respond to these changes. Let's take a look at integration management knowledge area definition. Definitions are very important, as sometimes you will get direct exam question where definition will be given to you and you have to identify the term. So best way to understand and remember definition is through flashcards. Integration management knowledge area defines processes needed to identify, define, combine, unify, and coordinate various processes and project management activities within the project management process groups. Let's list out all the processes in integration management knowledge area. There are total 7 processes which span across all 5 process groups. First process is develop project charter. It formally authorizes a project and provides the project manager with authority to apply organizational resources to the project. Develop project management plan. Very important process. It binds all other planning processes from remaining knowledge areas. It's a process of defining, preparing, coordinating and integrating all subsidiary plan and baseline. Direct and manage project work. This is action-oriented process. This is where all deliverables are generated. This is the process of carrying out project management plan by performing activities included in it. Manage knowledge. New process introduced in PMBOK6 edition. It's the process of using existing knowledge and creating new knowledge to achieve project's objective and contribute to organizational learning. Monitor and control project work. It's a process of tracking, reviewing and reporting the progress to meet the project's performance as agreed in a project management plan. Perform integrated change control. It's a very important process. Project manager spends a lot of time managing changes. The process of reviewing all change requests, approving changes and managing changes to the deliverable. Close project or phase. It's a process of finalizing all project activities to formally close the project or phase. So these all are the 7 processes within integration management knowledge area. Good job. We are at the end of introduction to integration management knowledge area. Let's do a quick review. We learned about what is integration. We talked about integration management knowledge area definition. We also discussed PMBOK process interaction versus real life process interaction. We talked about trends and emerging practices, tailoring consideration, again tailoring considerations for agile and adaptive environment. And finally, we gone through the overview of all 7 integration management processes. Good job. See you in next session where we will start with project charter.